This printer is Canon PIXMA MG2450. I want to show you how to replace the ink. Switch the printer on from this button. To replace the ink, this printer uses ink cartridges 546 color and 545 black. Push inside the paper output tray all the way. Then open the ink access door. Then wait for the ink holder to move and position itself. To replace the ink, colored ink goes to the left, black ink goes to the right. So put one finger on top of the ink, pull it down to remove it. So we're going to start with the colored one. Remove this plastic. Then you go in to the color, left side. Then pull it up. Do the same thing to the black. Remove this plastic. Then go in to the black, goes to the right. Then pull it up. Then close the cover and wait for the printer to recognize the ink. So this is how to replace or how to install the ink cartridges. Thank you very much indeed.